It's Tuesday, January 14th, 2024. Thought I hadn't done any updates because there hadn't been a lot of progress. One thing we did do is we tore out all the flower beds, and we're going to put sod down here, and we're going to put a sidewalk going back here to the kitchen. So everything's ripped out, and there's going to be a pavers sidewalk going out through here. So they got the window in the bathroom. There's all the power going into the house or into the kitchen. They finished the roof. They finished the soffit. The stucco guys will be here tomorrow. Still kind of a mess out here, but it's coming together. So they got all the stub ups for the electrical. The electrical came in yesterday. They finished all the soffit work. They've got all the wirings up here for the electrical. Going to have power on each corner for the roller curtains. Ordered a big ceiling fan today. We still got the temporary dog wall up to keep Lacey on the other side. And the bathroom, they got all the electrical in the bathroom for the ceiling fan. Haven't run the air conditioning duct yet. Got the, let's see, I don't trip over something here. Got the door up. No door handle yet. Anyway, then they got, let's see, they had to bust holes in the wall for the electrical, and so all that's going to be fixed tomorrow when the stucco guys come. They had bust holes down here to run the power. I think that hole there was probably an accident, but anyway, they're going to patch all that up coming tomorrow. I got my cabinet, got the prep table. I'm going to have to cut the legs down on it. They're a little bit too long once I put the rollers on it. And I got to get some tubing cutters. And there's the sink. And the sink's going to go right over there where the water outlets are. Anyway, that's the latest for cooking on Carrera. Oh, one other thing. They put all, I had them put all new sod down, but they put some here, but this right here is going to be a doggy door. So we pulled a couple of pieces of sod out and moved them somewhere else. Got to start watering it tonight. And that's where the doggy door is going to go for Lacey. And she's going to have a little fenced in yard here to go take care of her business.